Hi everyone, thank you for joining me today in beautiful Donegal. I'm out on the 3-hour route for the endurance workshop. Beautiful route, and it's a safe route. And if you guys have any interest in going further, just getting into, or you want to improve what you're currently doing in endurance, then this workshop is something for you. I'll start the day with all 7 participants out on this beautiful route, and we'll get to discuss what's important for everyone for their day. And don't worry if anything happens on the route, the Team Joe Barr service car is coming with us, and we don't leave anyone behind. As soon as we're finished, we'll get you back to the hotel, get you showered, give you some fantastic food, and my experts from my team will talk to you about nutrition, navigation and logistics, and they'll help you with any questions and answers that you have to get the most out of your day. If you want to hang out with some cool people, check us out, teamjoebarr.com, and remember, it's all about keeping the bike moving forward.